Hi guys, it's an update on my dog pen. This is what it looks like when I'm finished. Here's the dogs. I use the FS 94R, which I've already put up. This is the KM 131R with the metal blade on it to cut all the big stuff. The FS did all the thinner stuff, more stuff like that right there. Then I use my pulsar, however you pronounce it, 200cc 21-inch cut push mower. I know there's been a lot of questions on this push mower, so I'm going to do a Q&A video about this mower sometime. So if you have any questions about it, leave it in the comment section. But this is what was left. Please like and subscribe. It took me about 2 hours to get what you see cut down.